This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Black Desert Online. First, you'll want to select your character class, choosing from over 20 unique options like the Warrior, Sorceress, or Ranger. Each class offers a distinct combat style and abilities. Next, familiarize yourself with the expansive open world, which is crucial for your adventures. Understanding the game's core mechanics, including its action-packed combat system and diverse life skills, will set you up for success from the very beginning. After choosing your class, dive into Black Desert Online's incredibly detailed character customization. You can spend hours perfecting your character's look with numerous sliders and options. Once in-game, focus on the main questline. It's your fastest path to gaining experience points and acquiring valuable starting gear. This also serves as an excellent tutorial for basic combat, allowing you to practice your skills against early monsters and understand your class's unique abilities. Black Desert Online features dynamic, action-oriented combat where mastering skill combos and evasive maneuvers is key. Beyond fighting, the game offers a rich array of life skills like gathering resources, fishing in various waters, cooking delicious meals, and crafting powerful items. Don't forget your Black Spirit Companion. It's essential for progressing through quests, enhancing your equipment, and upgrading your character's skills, providing significant power boosts. As you progress, enhancing your gear becomes paramount to increasing your combat power. This involves various methods like enchanting and upgrading accessories. For those seeking competitive play, engage in large-scale player versus player battles such as node wars and sieges, involving hundreds of players. Beyond combat, explore diverse endgame activities, including challenging world bosses, extensive sailing content, and advanced life skill mastery, offering endless hours of gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.